Hi there. Yeah, I'm back again. And at present, there is a lot of upheaval around in the field. I can feel that there is a lot of anxiety, a lot of fear, a lot of distress. And I thought I would like to make a video on how to navigate the present chaos, because I have some very simple suggestions for you, because I like it simple. So the first thing, please stop watching the news or reading the newspapers. You will immediately notice that you get calmer. Reduce your time on social media. The same thing. It's like drawing yourself back a little bit and focusing more on yourself and connecting less with the outside. Go into nature as often as you can. Try to connect with the trees. Under the shorts, I have uploaded a very short video about the things I'm doing in nature. I'm just singing. I'm just singing for Gaia and the trees. No specific thing. Just a little melody that comes out of me. And even if there's no melody, you can sing la la la. If you do it for nature, and if you try to connect with nature, and if you do it from your heart space, lovingly, Gaia will love it. Then rest. Rest as often as you can. And rest is really rest. Try to sit down or lie down without your mobile. Just lie down. Try to close your eyes. And the last thing is get present. And this is very easy. You just breathe. You can do it while lying down, and you should do it as often as you can during your day. You just close your eyes and focus on breathing in and out. That's all. And you will notice immediately that you get into a completely different state. That you connect more with yourself, you connect more with your divine part of yourself, and this is very good. You should do it as often as you can. Even at your workplace, you can do it. Even if you cannot lie down, you just can close your eyes and do a little bit of breathing. This will help you a lot. And then, of course, I would like to invite you to join my community, because on my platform, I have a process with breathing and tapping, which will help you to go through difficult feelings. And of course, there are a lot of calls we have already done on self-expression. And maybe there are calls we have already done which could help you with your actual issue. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.